You know, if you're considering cosmetic surgery, it can often feel intimidating. What if you don't like what you see once the surgery is finished? New technology can actually give you a sneak peek. Here to show us is Dr. Stephen Davis of Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery. Dr. D, it's always interesting to talk to you because you're always right on the cutting edge. High-tech and low-tech processes to help women understand how they'll look once they go through a cosmetic procedure. And you say you begin with low-tech.
Right. Breast, for the general population of people, really turns out to be one of the most popular consultations that we do as plastic surgeons. And if the patient can really see what they would look like, it would help a lot. So one of the first things that we can do is a low-tech, it's a brand new low-tech system of being able to put something inside the bra and allow the patient to actually see what they would look like once they get enhanced, let's say, or once they have a volume change. So for instance, if this was something that's a little too small, we could layer it, and they're actually designed specifically to be just like a breast implant would be.
And so when you do layer things in, do you layer it under the breast or on top of the breast?
Well, these would go inside the bra,
right, I
actually,
understand that.
and then patients would be able to see, well, you know what, if I want it to be this size or this shape, what would it look like if I added a little bit more volume? And these are like a three-dimensional version of being able to see that. Now, this is the low-tech end of the spectrum.
Okay, so let's talk about the high-tech, because that's really a computerized system, and we do have some pictures to be able to show, because women really do want to get a sense of whether they're going to look okay.
That's absolutely right. And this is like a really cool way of morphing the patient in different outfits. So we take a picture of the actual patient, and with all the measurements done with the software, they can see what they're going to look like in different angles and in different types of clothing that they may want to wear.
Wow.
And it does help.
I mean, I think that that really is amazing. So you can begin that whole process, especially if it's an outfit that you have already on.
That's
and then you can see whether it really is going to lift you in the right spot.
That's exactly right. And I'll tell you, anything that we can do to make that whole experience better for the patient early on is really wonderful, because we always want to make it a very worthwhile experience.
Well, exactly. And so again, they can come in for a consultation with you and really discuss this in detail.
Absolutely. And we can go from one extreme to the other with the technologies that are actually brand new. Brand new.
All right, Dr. D, thank you so much. Always,
Thank you.
Always a pleasure to see you. So for more on Dr. Davis and Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery, you can go to cbsphilly.com and click on to Talk Philly.